What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony FE 50mm f1.8 standard prime lens for E-mount cameras I picked up at Best Buy for $249.99. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4.5 out of 746 customer reviews. Today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of it. I've been in the market for this lens for a while. I do have a 24 to 70mm f4 lens that I use to record all my videos on and take some photos with, but I am looking for something that's a little bit brighter, namely the f1.8, and I think this 50mm prime lens will be perfect. It'll be perfect for taking night shots downtown. You know, I figured, why not pick up this 50mm f1.8 and play around with a wider aperture. I am used to shooting with the 24 to 70, which is great, which you're probably thinking to yourself, why would you even pick up the 50mm if you've got the 24 to 70? But like I said, I want that wider aperture. I want that 1.8 aperture that's going to be better for low light shots. It's going to be better for portrait shots. It's going to bring out that creamy bokeh just a little bit better, I think. Finally have my hands on a prime lens for my Sony a7 III. If we just rotate the box off to the side here, it does have a little pull tab on the back of the box there. Let me go ahead and just maybe I'll just stop talking and we'll go ahead and, you know what, pull the lens out first. On the very top of the box, you'll know that this is a full frame lens by not only the fact that it's an FE lens, but also by looking at this little stamp that says E-mount, and then you get Sony, and then you get FE 50mm f1.8 49mm diameter on the front of the box. And ooh, voila, there she is. So pretty decent weight, I would say. It's the 24 to 70 or the 28 to 70mm that comes with the kit a7 III. You'll know that this is the exact same lens, but a 50mm f1.8 prime. The focus ring is pretty smooth, which is good to know and good to see, as well as probably good to hear for you guys. And then if we just go ahead and take off that lens cap there, you can see inside the lens just a little bit with that light shining. Maybe move the aperture ring. I'm not sure if this is a focus ring or an aperture ring. We'll have to find that out. FE 1.8. It's got this sort of glossy finish around the front of the lens. That's pretty much what the lens looks like with the lens hood on. Okay, so that is what the 50mm looks like on the Sony a7 III. That's a little bit underexposed, I think. We can go ahead and, ooh, we can go all the way down to f2. The bokeh looks absolutely amazing with this thing already. Let me go ahead and see what I can do. Oh. Okay, the bokeh on this lens is absolutely phenomenal. Just taking some test shots up close with the 50mm f1.8 at f2.0. Won't go down all the way to f1.8, but that's okay. Anyways, guys, my name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. Maybe do a little bit of portrait work now that I've got a portrait-specific lens. Yeah, we're gonna do some camera reviews in the coming future of this 50mm lens. A couple of months later, a week later, what have you, and we're gonna see my progression. And, you know, just get how easy it is basically to get used to this lens. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.